me, sir. I need to talk to you.
What?
Go over here. And you stay right there. Hey, come here. This way.
Yeah?
Come here, what are you doing? Now, I couldn't help but notice you died like 3 times today from that man over there.
Yeah, I don't really like him.
And you know what? I figured out.
Jerk! You're a jerk! Yeah!
What?
I got blood on.
That's the 4th time this week.
Oh, I got that again!
Now come over here.
Now,
Now,
I'm really tired. I'm really tired from getting killed.
okay, well here's what we can do. Hey, come here.
I saw him. I saw him. No.
Now I'm the owner of a martial arts class. I want to teach you how to fight this bully back. You want to do that?